So in this video, you'll learn how to find the camera settings on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So with the A36, finding your camera settings is slightly different. Before, on the previous Samsung devices, all you needed to do was just glance in the top right corner of the screen and you'll find the settings icon. However, with the A36, it's slightly different. In order for you to navigate to settings, you have to start by tapping on this menu icon. So you should see these four dots, that's the menu icon. And when you tap on it, you should see all the icons that used to be at the top of the camera app are now located here. So from here, it's where you're going to find the settings icon. So just look for it and then select it. And once you've selected it, you'll be taken to the camera settings menu of your A36. So from here, you can now come and customize any of the options that you want to do, such as enabling or disabling scene optimizer, changing the high efficiency pictures so you can enable or disable it, and all sorts of things. And so that's how you can access the camera settings on your Galaxy A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.